Let me show you how to solve this nice logarithmic equation. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you have to do. And we are asked to find the value of x. So to solve this question correctly, this is what you have to do. You must first of all obey the law of logarithm. That means this base is coming over here and this man here is going backward. What does the law of logarithm state? It states that a log of a number to a certain base is the power to which the base must be raised to obtain that number. That is, if we have log of a number n to a certain base a equals x, is the power to which the base must be raised to obtain this number. So this man here is coming over here and this one is going backward, and we are having what? X to power x to power x dot dot dot, and it goes like that, equals x to power 4. So clearly, from exponential law of logarithm, we state that equal bases has equal exponent. From the exponential law that state equal bases has equal exponent. So what happened? This base cancels out this base. So from here, equal bases, the base here cancels out this base, and we have what? We have x to power x. We have that this is x to power x dot 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 equals what? 4. All right, from here, clearly you can see that x equals 4. And since x equals 4, this x here can also be written like this. X to power 4 equals 4. All right, so from here, clearly, we can see that we can raise both sides here by 1 over 4 so that we can get rid of this power 4. So if we raise both sides by 1 over 4, we will have that this one raised to the power of 1 over 4, and this man here also raised to the power of 1 over 4. So this one cancels out this one, and x equals 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4. All right, so clearly from here, we can break this to 2 to the power 2, because you know that 2 to the power 2 here gives us 4. So here can be written as x equals 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Raised to the power of 1 over 4. So this can cancel out this, and we have that this is 2 raised to the power of 1 all over 2. And so therefore, the value of x that satisfies this logarithmic equation is just the square root of 2. And this is the right answer. All right, thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this, and there are more videos for you to watch.